Hello, my name is Colter Snyder. I am a second-year student at the Colorado School of Mines, and the project I'm presenting you today faces one problem in particular. How can we create a collaborative environment for students to use while being physically distanced? This question has become even more pertinent in the wake of the COVID-19 pandemic, in which almost any face-to-face collaboration is nearly impossible. The answer we found was simple: make a collaborative space in VR. Now, this project was not about creating this VR space, in which the students could partake in. That is a different project being performed by my mentor, Dr. Semnam Duzgan. Rather, this project focuses on bringing the multiplayer aspect to the VR space. In order to accomplish this goal of bringing a multiplayer space to VR, we followed a simple methodology of planning, implementation, and testing. The first step, planning, involved discussion as a group, in which we explored all the options that were available to us. Throughout our discussion and our talks, we decided there were two primary multiplayer systems of which we could use: peer-to-peer and the more traditional client-server interface. We decided through our discussions to go with a peer-to-peer interface, as it was much easier for the students to be able to create a room and get started collaborating with each other, rather than having to have the teacher set up a server and get all the students to join said server. In the next step of implementation, we decided to go with Unity's built-in multiplayer system. This was relatively easy to implement and works great for our purposes. To go along with this multiplayer system, we also developed a user-friendly UI for the students to be able to hop right into the experience. The last step in our methodology was testing, in which we tested the system and made sure it was up to our standards, and that was what we required for this project. Throughout our testing and discussion, we have determined that this will be a great system that will help engage students in a meaningful way, even when socially distanced, and to encourage collaborative learning during the pandemic. Thank you for your time.